which goes to the Mongoose Men's Elroy Adventure Bike 700C wheel bicycle. What sets the Mongoose Men's Elroy Adventure Bike 700C wheel bicycle apart from other bikes in our guide is its versatility. As an adventure bike, it works well off-road, yet it's also designed for speed and comfort for longer commutes. The front rack fits multiple panniers, so you can easily transport your lunch, laptop, and a change of clothes. The Elroy features Shimano derailleurs, a 14-speed micro-shift and brake combo, a durable steel fork, and sleek alloy frame. In some areas, Amazon will arrange to have an expert assemble the bike for an additional $85. Or you can take it to your local bike shop if you don't want to do it yourself. Biking Tribe recommends the Mongoose Elroy as one of the best touring bikes. The reviewer found the bike was high performance, sturdy, attractive, and sporty. Specifically, he appreciated that the dynamic driving system enabled a fun and exhilarating ride in every situation. Thrill Appeal recommends this model because of how it handles on gravel. Approximately 82% of the Amazon reviews of the Mongoose Elroy are positive. Buyers mention that the bike does an excellent job on long tours. One reviewer pointed out that the bag is large enough for a day ride, but if you're going to do more than that, you might want to switch it out. Others liked that the frame could support several mounting cages. Several buyers noted that it took some work properly adjusting the disc brakes. I ran into similar issues when assembling the Mongoose Juno, and ended up turning to a professional to finish the job. Next, we have the best commuter bike under $200.